You've heard it 1,000 times, it's stored in the cloud. Photos, messages, banking data, entire businesses, all floating in some digital ether. But here's the truth, the cloud isn't a cloud. It's not vapor, magic, or thin air. It's a physical beast. A global network of steel, silicon, and sweat. And it's hiding in plain sight. Imagine a warehouse the size of 6 football fields, stacked ceiling high with black boxes blinking in rhythmic blue and green. The air hums with the sound of 100,000 fans screaming to cool machines that never sleep. This is a data center, one of tens of thousands worldwide. They're the lungs of the internet. And they're hungry. Each one gulps enough electricity to power a small city. In 2022, data centers consumed of all global electricity, more than the entire United Kingdom. But where are they? Not in the sky. They're buried in deserts, submerged in oceans, and crammed into urban basements. Northern Virginia, just outside Washington, D.C., is the cloud's capital. Over 300 data centers cluster there, processing 70% of the world's internet traffic. Why? Tax breaks, cheap power, and proximity to government spines. Nevada's desert hides another hub, where Google and Apple run server farms cooled by arid winds. Iceland and Scandinavia use geothermal energy and glacial water to chill machines. Even Antarctica has a data center, powered by wind, storing climate data for scientists. Then there are the undersea cables. The Internet's arteries. Over 1.3 million kilometers of fiber optic cables snake across ocean floors, thicker than garden hoses, wrapped in steel and armor. They're laid by ships the size of aircraft carriers, slowly unspooling cable onto the seabed. One cable, Maria, stretches 6,600 kilometers from Virginia to Spain, transmitting 160 terabits of data per second. That's 71 million HD movies streamed simultaneously. These cables are vulnerable. Sharks bite them. Anchors drag them. Earthquakes sever them. In 2008, severed cables near Egypt cut off 75 million people from the internet. But the cloud's body isn't just hardware. It's people. Technicians in hazmat suits replace failed drives in sterile clean rooms. Engineers dive to repair cables at crushing ocean depths. In remote towns, cable landing stations stand as unmarked fortresses, guarded by fences and biometric locks. Here, undersea signals surge onto land, routed through fiber networks to your phone. And the waste? It's staggering. Servers last 3 to 5 years before becoming e-waste, tainted with heavy metals and rare earth elements. The cloud produces more carbon emissions than aviation. Bitcoin mining alone uses more electricity than Argentina. Yet we stream, scroll, and save without a second thought. The most unsettling part? The cloud isn't neutral. Its physical shape reflects power. Governments tap undersea cables, remember Edward Snowden. Corporations control the data centers. Your private cloud storage might sit on a server in a country with lax privacy laws. The cloud has borders, owners, and vulnerabilities. So next time you save a photo to the cloud, picture this: a warehouse in Nevada, a cable under the Atlantic, a technician in a clean room. The cloud isn't weightless. It's heavy. It's real. And it's fragile. The internet has a body. And bodies can be hurt.